So hello everybody and welcome to part 3 on wine barrels, and today we're going to talk about the differences between French and American oak wine barrels. Well, the first difference is there are actually two different species of white oak used between American and French oak. And because they are different species in different climates, they come with different characteristics. Now, American oak grows much quicker than French oak and therefore has much wider grains within the wood and is most associated with intense flavors such as vanilla and caramel. On the other hand, French oak grows much slower, has much tighter grains, is more associated with complex, subtle, silky flavors. And the cost of the two are drastically different. Because the French oak is much more tightly grained, it has to be cut or split along the grain, so only about 25% of the tree can be used in a French oak barrel. And because the American oak is much wider grained, they can actually just use it and cut it with a saw. So about 50% of the tree can be used in an American oak barrel. As a result, French wine barrels are much more expensive than American wine barrels. And while American and French oak barrels are the most common, every once in a while you'll see some others, particularly Hungarian, and that's the same species used in the French oak wine barrels. So hopefully this series has helped you understand how wine barrels actually impact the flavor of wine and also the cost of wine. Cheers, everybody.